How to transfer money from HDFC to Bank of America. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can transfer money from HDFC to Bank of America. Now, you can use the HDFC banking app or you can head over to any web browser and then type hdfcbank.com. Once you land on this web page, you want to be logged into your account. Tap on the login option over here. Now select Net Banking. It will now take you to another page. Go ahead and enter your customer ID or user ID and tap on the Continue option. Then you will have to enter your password. After that, tap on the Login option. Once you have been logged into your account and you want to transfer money from HDFC to Bank of America, you can do that using the online banking services, which includes National Electronic Funds Transfer, Remit Now, and Immediate Payment Service. So if you want to use the NEFT, then you want to tap on the funds transfer option, then select transfer to other bank. Now select the account and beneficiary. You want to enter the relevant details over there. Now review the details and confirm to complete the process. You can also use Remit Now. For that, you again want to tap on the funds transfer section, then tap on IMPS funds transfer using account number. Now enter the details and confirm the transaction. You will receive a confirmation SMS for the IMPS transaction. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.